Nearly 7 years after the murder of a community activist in Minneapolis, the case for her accused killer is now in the hands of a jury. Thank you for joining us here at 5. Demetrius Wynn is accused of stabbing Susan Spiller in 2015.
Lawyers delivering the closing arguments in the murder trial for Wynn earlier this afternoon, and now that case is in the hands of a jury. Paul Bloom is live at the Government Center with where deliberations stand at this hour. Paul?
Randy and Amy, good evening to both of you. It took us nearly 7 years to reach this point. The jury getting this case earlier today about 12:30. They deliberated for 4 hours this afternoon. They did not reach a verdict. Now the state here insists Demetrius Wynn, then Susan Spiller's young next-door neighbor, is absolutely behind this brutal and ugly saying. But Wynn's defense counters, explaining that there is reasonable doubt up and down this case. Susan Spiller was brutally murdered in her own home nearly 7 years ago now. Her friends in court Monday for closing arguments and a sense of justice. Ann Moe wore some of the jewelry Spiller created before she was viciously stabbed and strangled to death.
I had her dog.
Yep, she had her dog until she died not too long ago.
She left. I got her dog, Lily, and she was my best friend.
The question a Hennepin County jury must answer: was it Demetrius Wynn who broke into Spiller's home through a back window July 2015 and killed the adored artist, local activist, and greyhound owner? Wynn was just 14 at the time. His family lived right next door to Spiller's blue house. Evidence revealed his fingerprint was a perfect match at the point of entry. And prosecutors claim DNA found under Spiller's fingernails made the murder case a slam dunk. But Wynn, now 21, took the stand in his own defense last week, explaining the reason why his DNA would have been under Spiller's fingernails is that he had caught the 68-year-old when she had tripped earlier that day. During closing arguments, Wynn's defense attorney raised the potential that police had arrested the wrong guy.
I felt like they were waiting and said, he'll be in the system eventually.
Despite his young age at the time, Wynn was certified as an adult. The jury getting the case over the lunch hour. Spiller's friends looking to close what remains a painful chapter of their lives.
I think everybody knows what a wonderful person Susan was, and that it was really hard to sit in there and hear them try to refute that.
And as I mentioned off the top, the jury finished deliberating this afternoon at 4:30. No verdict, so they return here to the courthouse tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. to get back to work, again deciding Wynn's fate. He is facing 2 counts of second-degree murder. We're live outside the Government Center. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.